I needed some type of sanding tool to help me fine-tune my domino leaf guides for this dining room table that I built. So I'd seen something similar on YouTube or somewhere else and decided to use some scrap wood and cut out a shape on the bandsaw. Then I used some hot glue with my Ryobi glue gun and just glued some scrap wood together. And then I added a couple of braces with that hot glue just to strengthen it and give it some side-to-side support. And then I just used hot glue on a strip of sandpaper that I had cut in half. And this thing worked well.